How to download WeChat application on mobile. Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download WeChat application on your mobile device. WeChat is a Chinese multi-purpose messaging, social media and mobile payment application. It allows users to send text, voice messages, video calls, photos and videos. Also, it allows to follow official accounts for news and updates. So to get started, you will have to open your Play Store or any other app store of your device. Once you reach to this interface of Play Store application, here at the top you will find the search bar. At the search bar, type WeChat and search it. You will find the search results below. This is the official WeChat application. Here at the right side, you will see Install button. Click on it to begin installation and download process. Wait patiently until your WeChat application installs on your device. It depends upon your internet speed. Once the installation process completes, you will see Open button at the right side. Go ahead and tap on that Open and you will be taken to the WeChat application. Now create an account and explore the features of WeChat application. So in this way you can download WeChat application on your mobile device. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.